So today I'm going to share the trade that I did in this morning and explain you the process that I went through, that why I entered this trade and the thought process before I entered the trade. So first of all, let me just erase all this so we can give it a fresh start and see how it went. Alright, so I woke up at a little late today and I totally missed the Asian range, but that's okay. Anyways, I was not going to trade the Asian range. I would have let the range develop. And yes, so I woke up and saw that we had a downtrend in Asia. So I waited for the price to get in my POI, which is this order block that we have formed in our Asian range. Now, why is it an order block? You all know that the price went into displacement after this last bullish upward candle. So let's mark it as our bearish order block. So then we have to wait for the price to come back into that region, and it did that specifically when the London start. As you can see, it came back right there. So, and when the price comes right there, we wait to form our setup, that is ideally order block or FPG or anything. So I waited for the price action to develop here, and as soon as London starts, I observed that we have formed another bearish order block. Now, why is it a bearish order block? Because this is the last upward or bullish candle before price went down, and as you can see, this red candle was way lower than the low of this bullish candle. So it is a valid order block. So now we have our order block in the London range, and we have already tapped our higher point of interest. So then I went into lower time frame and waited for the price to come back into our region, which is this particular line. This is the order block. And well, I don't usually put the limits perfectly because sometimes it does get failed. Put my stops above the Asian high, which is this one. Now, where do I put my take profit? So for take profit, I was anticipating that we go to this bullish order block. Let me draw it so you can see it clearly. Alright, so as you can see that it was a pretty good trade and a pretty quick trade also. As you can see that we first tapped the order block of Asian range, went below, again formed an order block here in which I market entered, so I couldn't share the entry in the Discord. As you can see, it was pretty much quick because as soon as we formed the order block right here, we formed the order block and it just tapped and went down. So as soon as I could share the entry, it went below 1 hour or something, so I didn't share anyways. But yes, so this was my thought process behind the trade. I hope you learned something new, and if you have any questions, you can always ask me.